What's up guys, the Burn Coke out of 5 here, and today let's take a walk around look on this beautiful 2005 BMW 530i sedan. And this is going to be a full into tour of the 530i. We'll start the engine, show the performance data, getting the exhaust clip, and the inside shows the outside of the car. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and start up and let it run. Beep 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 beep. And let's red with the black exterior, with the black exterior with the black cloth interior. But yep, and looks like and. Wow. Awesome. Amazing. Wow. Headlights, fog lights, hazards. Wow. Automatic driver's window. Check the exterior, shall we? Wow. Open up this hood. Wow. AM FM. It looks like 100 horsepower V8 engine. Wow. This is a nice, colorful car. Wow. Wow. This is a nice, beautiful car. Wow. Full mirrors, everything. Side and side and side. Driver into the driver's seat. Up here, but here, up, down, and under reverse. See how this sounds. Nice sounding looking car. It's like only fresh. 8.9 89 less than degrees outside, or degrees outside actually. AM FM CD player. Tick shift. Wow. 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 This is nice. Wow. So let's check the backseat, shall we? Now let's check the backseat, shall we? Shall we? Got a car seat back there, so hop on your side. Storage windows. There's a piece for the antenna. Just a car seat back there, so no, the case was. Wow. Wow. It's the trunk. Nice trunk. Power outlet. There. Hop near side. And I'll sit in your seat. Yep. It just probably. Wow. Cup holders. Wow. Yep. Oh, see, look at that. Wow. It's kinda, yeah, kinda there, but window storage. Here are your lights that there. Garage home link. Glove box there. Wow. Very nice vehicle. Wow. Well, guys, let's take a walk around and depth look on this 2005 BMW 530i sedan. Lawnmower came from. Take care, guys.